Well, hello again and welcome back to the Tamiya Australia YouTube channel. So today I don't have much new news to bring you guys, but there is something going on at the moment I just wanted to talk about and tell you what's going to be on display. So at the moment in Japan is a Shizuoka Hobby Show 2025. It's the 63rd time the show has been on. And Shizuoka's a city about 55 minutes on the Shinkansen south of Tokyo. And this takes place at a place called Twin Messe. So it's pretty much all the hobby suppliers in Japan. It's the biggest show in Japan, and like I said, 63rd year that this has been running, so there's plenty on. It's a big show for people of Japan and the people of the world. So it's over 5 days. The first 3 days, first 2 days are trade days, so it's for trade suppliers and wholesalers. The third day is for school students, and the fourth and fifth day, which is today and tomorrow, the 17th to 18th, is for the general public to go and see the show. So Tamiya obviously have a very big display there. They've got a lot of cool stuff on display. It's not anything new that I haven't spoken about in previous videos, but there is plenty of stuff on. So there's actually 9 RC kits that have been on display at the show. Stuff we know is coming, stuff that, there was nothing sort of new, which I was a bit disappointed about because I had heard some rumors about something, but it just didn't eventuate, obviously. So I thought I'd just come to you today, show you what we got coming up, give you some on-screen photos, and talk about the show. So also at the show, there's a big display area and stuff like that. So they've got a 1-to-1 scale lunchbox on display. They've got a 1-to-1 scale tank on display. So it's a pretty cool thing. I will definitely have to go 1 year if it fits in with my schedule. But getting over to Japan this time of year is a bit of a struggle for me. But anyway, 1 year I will definitely go, and I'll bring you live videos from the Shizuoka show. So I've just got on display just a few of the chassis I'm working on at the moment. TC01, I got a couple of those. It's fun to build. It's pretty complex. I don't know why they're so unpopular. I think it's a fantastic chassis. It looks mint. I've got some hop-ups to do for that one, which is coming soon. An FF01 I've got over here, which I've got a Castrol Civic body to go on that, which I picked up in my recent trip to Thailand, and then a TAO2. Interesting, you guys might not know this, but the tub on the TAO2, so that tub in the center, is actually the same in the FF01s. So the TAO2 has the motor mounted at the rear, and the FF01 has the motor mounted at the front. So you can actually put that front on that TAO2 chassis and have a twin motor 1/10 scale on-road car, which would go like a shower of shit, no doubt. But I might have to give that a try one day. But they're getting hard to find, and the parts are getting really hard to find, so I might not risk that one. But I'm looking forward to putting the Civic body on that. I've had that on the shelf forever, and I knew the Civic body was re-released, but I've got one now, so I'm going to paint that, sticker it up, and then I'll have an FF01 with the Civic body on the shelf. The original stamping on that says 1991 or something, 1993. So geez, that's been out for a while. I've had that sitting around for a while. But anyway, let's have a talk about the show. So what we got out at the show. So let's start with, we got model number 42389, which is the TRF 104 chassis. So we've got one of them at the show. Next, we've got a truck, which is the 1/14 scale Scania 770S, which is a 4x2. That is model number 56379. Couple of tanks at the show. 1/16 scale German main battle tank Leopard 2 A7V with a full option kit. That is 56047. The next one we've got at the show, another tank, which is 1/16 scale also, which is the M4 Sherman 105mm Howitzer with a mechanical steering system. So I reckon that'd be a pretty cool build. I wouldn't mind getting a tank. I've spoken about that on the channel previously. Definitely a tank in my future. I can feel it coming. One you guys have all been waiting for was original release, was a re-release in 2017, which is the big wig. So we're getting another run of those, 47330. Being a 4.7, it usually means it's limited and only going to run once, but obviously doing it again, so having another run of the big wigs. We've got something that everyone's excited about, me too. I'm going to get a couple for the shelf and one to build and one to store, which is the Honda City Turbo on the WR02C chassis, which is kit number 58611. So they should be in shops mid-June, I would have thought. So they're getting pretty close now, so you shouldn't be too far away before you can get one of them. Another cool kit that's coming back after another re-release, it's the Hornet by Jun Watanabe, 58527. So they'll again be mid-June-ish before we see them. A couple of just pure chassis kits again, so not TRF kits, but chassis kits. So we've got an MO7R chassis kit, 47520, and we also have the MO8R chassis kit, 47480. So those two chassis kits, you can build them as you want, bodies as you want, wheels as you want. So yeah, I think they're pretty cool. So yeah, that's, like I said, it's not stuff I haven't spoken about in previous videos leading up to today. It's nothing new. I had a little bit of an insight, but obviously not true, that there was something coming that was going to be a little bit special at the show. They were sort of holding that back for the show, but it just never happened. But anyway, there is some cool stuff coming. The City Turbo is probably the most exciting thing on that list for me. And again, like I said, I wouldn't mind getting a tank one day. There will definitely be a tank in my future. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, guys. Much appreciated. I've been putting my Bangkok series up, which has been going great. I tried my my 20 questions video. That went pretty well. And I tried a video just showing you through the 2025 Volume 1 RC book, which is going really, really well. So please keep giving the thumbs up and please give me the comments. I try to respond to everything as much as I can. Yeah, I do enjoy making the videos and I hope you guys are liking them. But we will see you in our next video, which will be, or maybe next Friday, another hobby shop in Bangkok, Thailand. So see you again, guys. Thank you so much. So if you like this video, there's plenty more on our channel that you're gonna love. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos that we've made. I'm sure you'll like them.